As we age, staying flexible can feel like an uphill battle, and many seniors believe it's too late to make a difference. But what if I told you that just a few minutes of stretching each day could change that? Flexibility is crucial for seniors as it directly impacts their quality of life. Being flexible can make everyday activities like walking, bending, or even simple movements much easier and less straining. It can also help prevent falls, which is a significant concern for older adults. By incorporating daily stretching into their routine, seniors can enjoy a more active and independent lifestyle. Many seniors face challenges when it comes to flexibility and mobility. Joint pain and stiffness are common complaints that can make movement difficult. The good news is that there are safe and effective stretching techniques designed specifically for seniors. Gentle stretches that focus on major muscle groups can significantly improve flexibility without putting excessive strain on the body. For example, the seated forward bend is a great stretch for the back and hamstrings. The shoulder rolls and wrist extensions are excellent for improving upper body mobility. It's also important to remember that stretching should be done gently and within a comfortable range. No bouncing or forcing is required, just slow, smooth movements. The neck stretch, where you gently tilt your head to the side, bringing your ear towards your shoulder, is another simple yet effective stretch. These small movements can make a big difference in daily life. By incorporating these simple stretches into their daily routine, seniors can gradually improve their flexibility and overall quality of life. It's never too late to start, and the benefits can be truly life-changing. Remember, every little bit of movement counts. Start small, be consistent, and watch as your flexibility improves, opening up a world of easier, more comfortable daily living. Daily stretching doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Even just a few minutes a day can make a big difference. You can stretch while watching TV, right after breakfast, or during your morning routine. Consistency is key, and making it a habit can lead to noticeable improvements over time. One inspiring example is Mary, a 72-year-old grandmother who started stretching daily after experiencing significant joint pain. Within a few months, she noticed a substantial decrease in pain and an increase in her range of motion. She can now play with her grandkids without feeling stiff or sore, and her daily activities have become much easier. Mary's story isn't unique, as many seniors have experienced similar benefits from daily stretching. Improved flexibility can lead to better balance, reduced pain, and a more active lifestyle. It's never too late to start, and the benefits can be felt quickly. The key takeaways are simple. Daily stretching can significantly improve flexibility, reduce pain, and enhance overall well-being for seniors. It's easy, safe, and highly effective. If you're ready to take the first step towards better flexibility, try incorporating some of these stretches into your daily routine. Share your experiences with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and advice on maintaining an active and healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching.